Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create 22-bit account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in 22-bit. Once you type it in, press enter. Once you press enter, you will get these kind of results. Now click on the first link where it says 22-bit. Once you get to this page, on the top right hand side, you will see this registration button. Click on it. Then this form will open up. To create a new account, you can get three options. That is full registration, which uses your email address, or by phone, which uses your phone number, and the third option is social networks and messengers, that uses your Google account or Twitter account. The choice is yours to select which method you will use. I'll just use the first option, that is full registration. Then enter my email address, first name, surname, then create a password for my account on this box, and then enter my date of birth, my country, and select the currency that I use. Go ahead and do that. Once you have filled up this form, you'll have to click on this checkbox, then click on this register button. Once you do so, your account will be created and you can use their login credentials to log into your account. You'll just have to click on this login button, and now you can start using the app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.